Bodofana Boroni Bifa Jari Minari Boroni Ang Boragari Gamiau Janamnai Jar Boro Bimani Gurbani Prai Harayoi Mile Mayar Gusaya Nung Di Ose Boro Pisa Bodofana Boroni Bifa Nikhauri no khorau Janamnanaibu Yoga sar soलोंथाय लानो हादोंमोन हायोमोन सोरजिनो गावनि logo
I'm very honored to be here. I knew Upendra Nath Brahma, Bodofa, long time back when he came to Bombay. I was a young journalist then, and he had visited my home. He had spoken at the press conference in Bombay, and so during that time, even when he was in the final stages of his cancer treatment, he took so much effort to explain to the people of Bombay about the issues of Bodoland. And people had never, in the rest of India, did not know who the Bodos are, what is their struggle. So even till his last dying breath, he spoke about your struggle. He was working for you. I don't know how he managed to do that with the kind of treatment he was taking. And unfortunately, he passed away at that time, and I happened to be on the flight when they were bringing his body back to Assam and to Bodoland. And I was on the same flight, and when I witnessed the lakhs of people who had gathered to pay homage to their most revered leader. And in my view, he was not just a leader of the Bodos, he was a northeastern leader. He spoke for the northeast, and he tried to explain to the rest of India that if you keep pushing the tribal people of the northeast against the wall, then they are left with very few options. And how do you get Delhi's attention? Is it only through violence that then Delhi listens to you? Or will you listen to our peaceful movements?
दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफाद थांनानै थाथों दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफाद थांनानै थाथों बड'फानि सानथौ आरो सानस्रिया थांनानै थाथों जय बर' हारिनि जय बर' हारिनि
Hari दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि आफादगिरि बिबान लानायनि उनाव गावनि थामोनथा रैखाथि हारिनि रक्षणाबेक्षणनि थाखाय आत्मरक्षानि थाखाय राजनैतिक भावे संविधानिक भावे गणतान्त्रिक भावे गावनि अधिकारखौ मोननांगौनि थाखाय आरो हारि हिसाबै राव थुनलाइ हारिमु जोंनि अस्तित्व जोंनि हा हुनि रैखाथि आरो गासै बिथिङाव बर' हारिया थांना थानांगौनि थाखाय जि मोनसे जावरिखांनाय जि मोनसे आलादा रायजोनि बड'लेण्डनि जि दाबि आरो लिभ एन्ड लेट लिभनि मोन्थोरजों बड'स अफ द वर्ल्ड इउनाइट इउनिटि थ्रु स्ट्रागलनि जि मोनसे स्ल'गान लाबोनानै होफैबाय आरो बिनि गुदियावनो आलादा रायजो बड'लेण्डनि जि दाबि आरो खोलाहा थानाय बर'फोरनि थाखाय नीलाचल कार्बि आंलंनि बर'फोरनि थाखाय एसटि हिलनि मर्यादा बे साफ्रोमबोनि मेलेम आरो थैखौ बै समाव गोदौहोदोंमोन आरो दिनैसिमबो जोंनि मेलेम आरो सानस्रिया गोथां जानानै दङ।